What if I told you that you could start creating viral, money-making videos without ever showing your face, using nothing but free AI tools and a little strategy? In this video, I'm going to break down a simple, step-by-step method that anyone, yes, even total beginners, can use to turn AI-generated content into viral videos that rack up views and cash. From creating irresistible stories with ChatGPT to adding professional voiceovers and dynamic motion graphics, you're about to discover exactly how it's done. So if you've been dreaming about building a faceless YouTube or Instagram channel that actually makes money, stay tuned, because this is the blueprint you've been waiting for. Step 1. Create your story. Like almost every video you'll see on social media, you'll need to come up with your story first. Luckily, ChatGPT can assist you with this process. The first thing you need to do to get ChatGPT to help with story creation is to provide it with viral content it can analyze. This allows the AI to craft scripts that have the potential to go viral on your channel, just like we did when we uploaded a video about ChatGPT. Next, copy the link of any video you'd like to emulate and head over to a tool called TalkScript. Paste the video link there, and within seconds, you'll have the script. After getting this script, go to ChatGPT so it can fully understand the strengths and weaknesses of your content. This can actually be an excellent tool for helping creators understand the minds of their audience. In turn, this allows them to write the kind of viral scripts they've always wanted. Second step. After finishing the script for your video, the next step is to work on generating the narration voice. To handle this, many people turn to ElevenLabs. That's because they currently offer one of the most realistic voice options available. Because of this, many users have rushed to the app to take advantage of its free version. It offers a solid collection of quality voices you can start working with. And if you'd like to explore the full range of voices available, you can unlock them by paying the $5 fee. With that done, you can copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it into the platform. Once your script is properly in place, click on Generate to hear the realistic voice in action. Just listen to how natural this voice sounds.
Do you know these mind-blowing facts about the United States? Most people know that the United States is one of the most powerful countries in the world, but did you know these shocking facts about some of its states?
An incredible piece of technology, if we may say so ourselves. The third step. Once ElevenLabs has generated your narration, the next move for anyone aiming to create these impressive videos is to take what might be the most important step of all four. This step makes use of an incredible app called Hera. With Hera, you'll discover that creating motion graphics takes just seconds. Impressive, right? Creatives no longer need to spend endless hours assembling motion graphics for their projects. It only takes them a few seconds to get it done. Just check out all the templates available for users to explore on the app. From chart motion graphics to logo animations, most importantly, they offer motion graphics that can help us create videos capable of earning thousands of dollars in no time. To make these geographic videos, the first step on Hera is to head over and select the right template. After that, the app takes you straight to the editor. Once you're in the editor, it becomes clear why so many people have found success with this tool. Not only is it user-friendly thanks to how uncomplicated it seems to be, it is also available to a good number of us. After getting comfortable with the editor's interface, the next step for the creator is to highlight and select the areas of the map you want to focus on. After selecting your location, you can adjust your video's ratio to suit your needs or fit the platform you're targeting. For example, if you're creating for Instagram or YouTube Shorts, you'll want to go with the 9:16 ratio. Once you've set the ratio and made sure it frames your chosen area of the map perfectly, you can move on to creating your prompt. For instance, if you're focusing on California, you can write a prompt that allows the app to highlight the US first before zooming into California. Once this is done, highlight California before submitting it. Within 20 seconds, you'd find that Hera has created this elaborate scene that is bound to keep your viewers engaged. Just look at how effortlessly smooth the clip turns out.
Mind-blowing facts about the United States. Most people know that the United States is one of the most powerful countries in the world, but did you know these shocking facts about some of its states? If California were a country, its economy would be the 5th largest in the world, ahead of the UK, India, and France. The state generates over $4 trillion annually. Alaska is the largest state in the US, but did you know it's twice the size of Texas?
As great as the first result usually is, users will find that the app still lets them tweak the video. Not only can you change the size of the clip, you can change the colors and allow images to be added to the video. It also allows you to insert charts and statistics into your clips. Truly impressive work from Hera. All you need to do is create your chart or graph with ChatGPT, download it, and then move it over to Hera. Once it's on Hera, upload the image you downloaded from ChatGPT. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Hera's prompt section, so that it can create some more context to your work. This is a rapid process that only takes a few seconds for the app to create the charts for us. You can add country flags by downloading flag images. After that, upload the image into Hera, then prompt the app to highlight a country, like the US, and attach the flag image to it. It honestly feels like magic. Be sure to make full use of the 10 free daily generations as soon as you can. Once you've downloaded all the images, make sure to do the final editing needed to bring your entire video together. You'll find that CapCut is ideal for this task. Just head over to the CapCut website or download the app, then import all your footage and other elements, like the voiceover, into the editing tool. After gathering everything you need for the video, the next step is placing the narration onto the timeline. Once that's done, you can trim the voice clips by cutting out empty spaces between them. It might seem like a small step, but it helps remove unnecessary pauses and keeps the video engaging. After making those adjustments, you can add 3 video clips onto the timeline. Place each clip in its proper spot, then adjust the playback speed to match the voiceover perfectly. Whether you need to slow it down or speed it up, CapCut has the tools to make those changes. After that, you can insert your graphics and charts exactly where they belong. After finishing this part, the next thing you might want to do to improve your clip's quality is to add transitions to your project. While the free version of CapCut offers some solid transitions, you might consider trying the paid version to access even more impressive options for yourself. Next, generate captions to make your video easier for everyone to follow and understand. You can also include music or sound effects to give the clip that extra touch of energy. Once everything's in place, hit the export button and enjoy the finished result. With this method, you can create plenty of these videos and start earning $1,000 every week. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to creating viral AI-powered videos that can help you grow your audience and start earning online. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful AI content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. This is Zero to AI, and I'll catch you in the next one.